So Josh already comes with a CRUD generator where you can generate CRUD files for backend. But now let's see how we can move those backend files to frontend also, so that people like your site visitors can see the data, or even they can add the data. And I already assume you know how to install Josh, or maybe you already have it. So I'm just going directly into CRUD generator page, and we will be generating one new CRUD. And since this is just a demo video, I want to go with a simple name of something like book, or the table name is books, and I'm keeping everything as it is. And I'm going to add only one field, let's say name. This should be enough. So our CRUD files have been generated, and we can confirm it by going to books route. So we can confirm, but our interest is not on the admin side but on the user side. So if you want to have this on the user side, we have to move lot of files, and let's start with routing. So like you can see here, some 16 files are generated because I already modified one file. So let's go to web builder. It has generated a lot of routes, and except the group one route group, you can copy all others, probably paste them above these routes. Okay, so with this we already got the routes. Let's see if that works or not. Okay, so now it says target class book controller doesn't exist. So let's start working on that. Our book controller already created inside admin folder. We just have to take it into regular controllers folder, and we need to change namespace as well, otherwise we will get the error. So remove the namespace, and since we are already copying, we don't need to copy the model file, we don't need to copy database files, that is migration file. So we need to copy views. So since it already has a books, I'm copy and pasting it inside views folder. Now let's see, I'm sure it shows admin panel only, but let us see. So this is showing admin panel, because even though we are calling this method books index, it is still referencing admin.books.index. So let's get rid of admin dot. Okay, so now let's see. So still it shows, because all these view files are extending layout from admin. So let's go to books.index. Let's get rid of this, and since we are already in this page, we don't need this breadcrumb, or at least let's remove it for now, because it doesn't show up nice on front end. So with this we got it on front end, but now let's work out on other things as well. Here again you can see it is referencing to admin slash book slash create. So we need to get rid of that as well. It is in index.blade.php. So let's get rid of this everywhere. So now now it references front end. So let's go to this page. Again it may show backend UI. So same story, we have to get rid of admin dot and admin slashes, and let's get rid of this section as well. Then let's see wherever we have, yeah, store method definitely we have to use from front end only. So now it is showing proper UI as per front end. Of course still it needs some more UI changes, but I'm not going to touch that because our target for this video is only showing how to make the backend CRUD files work in front end. So you can see the data is stored and we are able to see it in the front end. Again show method, again the same thing, like whatever we have changed we have to do here also. Show method, show. Of course you can just find and replace inside the books folder, but I just want to show manually. Oh my goodness. Okay, so since it is still getting data from this, I guess we need to modify table file. So inside table.bay.php we have many references to admin dot, so simply change them, that's it. So now you can see it is referencing to front end one, and here we can see, yeah, this back button also working. Now let's check with edit. Yeah, edit also working, but edit page UI may be different. Yes, as we already know, by now you know what to do. Just we need to get rid of this admin dot everywhere, and get rid of this common section whatever we have. But here it is showing include errors, so probably it is good to keep this on, and then we can get rid of this section content header and change layout. Yes, we are good to go. So we are updating a book. So now you can see it has been updated, and let's see if the delete works. Perfect. So everything is working, and it is much easier than you might have guessed. So we need to change the references to admin dot or admin slash wherever we have, and you're good to go. Thank you.